In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use iCloud to find your lost Apple device. Losing your Apple device can be incredibly stressful, but thankfully, Apple provides a robust tool to help you locate it. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide to get you back together with your device as quickly as possible. First, you'll need to head over to any web browser and type in icloud.com/find. This is the landing page for the Find My iPhone service, which is available on all iCloud-enabled devices. Once there, the first step is to sign in with your Apple ID. It's important that you use the Apple ID and password that are associated with your lost device. If you've forgotten your Apple ID credentials, it might be a good idea to visit Apple's website for account recovery initiatives. After successfully signing in, you'll be directed to an interface displaying all the devices linked to your Apple ID. Here, you will want to click on the All Devices drop-down menu located at the top of the screen. This list will show every device that is currently synchronizing with iCloud using your ID. Select the device that you're trying to find. You might see a cloud with a green dot beside some devices, indicating that they are currently online. Very helpful information when trying to locate your device's exact whereabouts. Once you've selected your lost device, a map will instantly pop up showing pinpoint locations. This map provides either the current location of your device if it's powered on and connected to the internet, or the last known location when it was online. Take a close look, as this is your first clue towards a successful find. At this point, you have several actions available to you. The urgency and location of your device will dictate your response. If your device is nearby, perhaps under a couch or hidden in your home office, use the play sound option. This feature will produce an alert sound from your device, making it much easier to locate it if it's in your immediate vicinity. If your device is further away or you believe it could fall into someone else's hands, consider clicking on Mark as Lost. This feature does two things. It locks your device with a passcode and displays a custom message on the lock screen, perfect for providing contact information if someone finds it. In more dire situations, like when you think your device might be stolen, you can select Erase Device. Be mindful that this action will wipe the device clean, removing all personal data, and once executed, you won't be able to track it further. And there you have it. With these steps, iCloud's Find My iPhone service becomes a powerful tool in retrieving your lost Apple device. Good luck, and I hope you get your gadget back soon.